Remote Employee o RE, one of the fastest growing BPO companies founded by Kapampangan for Kapampangans, announced its upcoming expansion at Megaworld Capital Town during its year-end party held on November 28 at Hilton Park. The highlight of the celebration was the reveal of RE's larger office space at Capital Town in San Fernando, set to open this December. The new facility will allow the company to accommodate more clients and support its growing operations.
Oh, okay. So we have a lot of new things that happened this entire year. Obviously, the biggest one is our expansion into Capital Town, and aside from that, there are, I would say, seeds that we're planting at the moment that we are really looking forward to seeing grow as the new year approaches, and I can't really talk too much about it. I don't want to spoil the surprise or anything like that, but it would bring more opportunities to I would say to the people that need it the most. So we're providing more opportunities for those guys, and it's part of our mission to provide opportunities for the Filipino people, and we're staying true to that mission. So just stay tuned next year for the unveiling of this new product that we have.
RE CEO Rafi Galang also discussed the continued development of the RE Academy, the company's learning and training arm designed to upskill employees and prepare them for career advancement.
One of our biggest partners is actually the local academy in the city of San Fernando. As you know, Mayor Vilma is always pushing for easier access to education and trying to lower down the unemployment rate. And I guess just a clue, we are in the same boat. Our product will aim to address those issues that are currently, present in the city of San Fernando. So we will be providing more opportunities and more, education in the next couple of years.
Galang shared that RE's workforce has now reached around 400 employees, and with ongoing recruitment, it expected to grow to nearly 500 before the year ends. They emphasized that the company's success is rooted in its people-first approach, prioritizing work-life balance and employee well-being.
Yeah, well, the work-life balance is super important. One, for the company, our clients that we service, and the employees that work for us. When they're happy at work, they work harder, they work better, they enjoy working for us. So, we want to do as much as we can for the worker. So our clients get a better result as well. And we've seen that, our clients have seen that, better retention rates. The staff is really good. All of the clients that have come and visited our offices so far have really loved it. They've loved the culture, the experience, all the people that work for us. It's just been really awesome.
The event gathered RE leaders, employees, and partners to celebrate the company's milestones and anticipate an even stronger year ahead.
Guys, whoever wants to join our growing company, I invite you guys to come and apply. We're always doing recruitment drives, so I hope to see you guys there. But if you guys can't make it, we are available online on Facebook, Instagram, and our website, www.remoteemployee.ph. So just go to that website and then apply, or just chat us on Facebook and we'll be happy to help you.
This is Patricia Mamangun on the spot.